Good morning, everyone. In these changing times, we are all navigating through uncertainty for ourselves, our loved ones, and our community. Myself, Sherlock Vanderwood, one of the teacher in Kraziking Inter College, is going to take a social study class of class 5th. I hope you all are staying healthy and safe at home. For the class 5th students, I would like to first inform you that we are using the same book which is going on right now, currently, that is Social Studies, and publication. The name of the book is, and the publication is Inspiration. So, the first chapter of Social Studies, class 5th, is The Earliest Humans. The earliest humans. In this chapter, we will learn about the prehistoric man and his lifestyle. The journey of early man from an ape-like creature, to a full-fledged man was evolved some hundreds of thousands of years ago. It was a period longer than the period of modern man's existence on this planet. Although there are no written records available to justify or prove what happened or how they lived, archaeologists have collected all the information from the remains that have been excavated or dug by them in the form of fossil like bones, tools, weapons, paintings, poetry, etc. These remains are enough to prove their existence. In this chapter, students will be covering following topics. The main topics are, as you can see on the screen, the first is introduction, then the Stone Age, which is divided into three parts, that is Paleolithic Age, Old Stone Age, Mesolithic Age, Middle Stone Age, Neolithic Age, New Stone Age. Then we will be discussing about various tools which are being used by the early men before. That is also divided into three parts, or you can say three categories: core tools, flake tools, blade tools. After that, we will be discussing about discovery of fire, how they how they came to know about fire, how they discovered fire, what all the uses they made from with the help of fire. We'll discuss about that. Then the last we'll be discussing about rock and cave paintings. Rock and cave paintings. They used to draw on under the cave, they used to stay, they used to draw following paintings with the help of stones. They used to communicate through paintings. They used to show their creation, their moods. So all these things they show through with the help of cave paintings. So the first we'll be discussing about Stone Age. What is a Stone Age? A Stone Age was a time period in the prehistory during which men widely used stones to make weapons and tools. This had happened about a million years ago when man started using tools made of stone. Now, the Stone Age is divided into three phases based on the tools. So, according to the tools, the usage of the tools, they have divided Stone Age into three parts. That Paleolithic Age, that is called also known as Old Stone Age, Mesolithic Age, that is Middle Stone Age, and the last one is Neolithic Age, also known as New Stone Age. So first we will be discussing about Paleolithic Age, also known as Old Stone Age. So dear students, first we should know what is the meaning of this word Paleolithic. The word Paleolithic is derived from the Greek word that is paleo meaning old and lithos meaning stone. That's why we say Old Stone Age, or we can also say Paleolithic Age. The word thereby means old stone. The Old Stone Age began in India around 5 lakh years ago and lasted up to around 10,000 BCE. This was a period, or you can say this was the Paleolithic Age, where the early men lived their life, or Stone Age life. And Paleolithic Age was considered the longest of all in the Stone Age. It can be divided into three periods, that is lower, middle and upper. This was the age when men used to use stone tools which were rough and unfinished. Throughout the Paleolithic Age, humans were food gatherers and hunters. So they used to hunt animals, they used to gather food for their living. So that was the Paleolithic Age. Then, before early Old Stone Age, or you can say Lower Paleolithic Age, during the Lower Paleolithic Age, the climate was very cold and most parts of the earth were covered with ice. So it was also known as the Ice Age. The oldest tool used by the humans were simple choppers and hand axes. The stone tools of this period were made by chipping the stones to form the sharp edge to cut or chip of trees and animals. Then Middle Stone Age, or the Middle Paleolithic Age. That is, the stone tools of this period were of the flake tradition. Some home implements such as needles have been found, which indicates that fur and animal skins were crudely sewn to cover the body. So they used to use animal skin to cover their bodies. They also use leaves, or you can say the branches of the tree, and also the skin of the animals to cover their body from the cold weather. Then we have second is Mesolithic Age, that is the Middle Stone Age. In the Middle Stone Age, people, the human beings, or you can say the early men, were more informed. The Mesolithic period, also known as the Middle Stone Age, was the second part of the Old Stone Age. In India, it spanned from 9000 BC to 4000 BC. The appearance of the small stone categorizes this Mesolithic age. The Mesolithic period was the transitional phase between the Paleolithic and the Neolithic age. So this was a transformation phase where before they don't know how to use different things. They were not able to survive well. But when they came to Middle Stone Age, they were more informed, they were more alert. So they came to know about various things, how to use and how to live the life. So it is said that it is a Mesolithic age is a transitional phase between the Paleolithic and the Neolithic age. Then the last is the Neolithic age, or you can say the New Stone Age. In the Neolithic era began when humans discovered agriculture and raising cattle, which allowed them to no longer have nomadic lifestyle. So people, all the human beings, like all the early human beings, they discovered various methods to live their life. They started rearing cattle, raising cattle, then they started making huts to stay, They started agriculture, growing crops for their living. So before they were having nomadic life. Nomadic life means the people who wander from one place to another to find food or in search of food or to hunt animals. They don't have any specific or any meaningful life. So in this Neolithic era, in Neolithic era, the early human beings they started agriculture, raising cattle, and they were no more into nomadic lifestyle. They were able to settle in fertile areas with the predictable climates, usually near the rivers or near the lakes. Rice and wheat were the first plants they cultivated, and the first animals to be domesticated were dogs, goats, sheep, oxen, and horses. So, this was the Neolithic age. I hope you understood all the three parts of different ages. First was the Paleolithic age, then we we covered the one more that is Mesolithic age, then the last that is Neolithic age. Now, students, we will be studying about different kinds of tools. Tools are the important part of our life. We all know in today's generation, also, today's time, also, we use several kinds of tools to make our life easier. But before, it was nothing like that. There were no machines, there were no technology, there were no specific scientist or any person who used to invent or who used to generate tools. In early ages, they used to make tools with the help of stones of different sizes. Some of them were small, some of them were big, some of them were very minute, sharp, chipped tools. And tools also, students, they are divided into three parts, that is the core tools, flake tools, and blade tools. About the tools, students, the tools made of stones of the old stone age have been found in the valleys of the Sun and the Jhelum rivers in India. All the tools are made from quartz, a hard rock. The tools have the forms of knives, choppers, axe head, and digging instruments. So there were categories of tools. For cutting small things, they have different tools. For hunting animals, they have different tools or weapons. For for cutting vegetables or for cutting small things, they have small choppers. So they have different categories of tools. The tools of stones used by early men in old stone age were crude, rough, and unpolished. So the first is core tools. We'll discuss about the core tools. What are the core tools? They were made by chipping away portions of a piece of rock till they got the desired shape. They were pear shaped, that is, they had no handles. They were used as hand axe for the purpose of cutting trees, digging the earth, and breaking bones. So, this was the purpose of the core tools. They were sharp, they were not having any type of handle in that, so they were used in the axe for cutting trees, digging the earth, and breaking bones. Now let's discuss about the flake tools. Flake tools, my dear students, were made by the flake method.